Hi everyone, in today's video I want to focus on AI agents, especially crypto AI agents, which as we all know, are very popular those days, okay? But before we start, I just have to tell you that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute your financial or investment advice. Cryptocurrency investments are risky. Please conduct your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any decisions. The creator is not responsible for any losses incurred. So yeah, this is not a financial advice. I just want to show you guys what I'm doing to find what's trending out there. So let's go and do some research. To do so, let's go and start with the new search. Okay, and I'll be doing research on the social media, especially on the Twitter. And the ones I will be focusing today is AI agents. We go with some advanced settings here. Okay, we'll be doing the content and mentions. Okay, so we will be analyzing the tweets and mentions. 50 tweets do not include tweets that are now most popular on Twitter. That's what we are be interested in. English language and for users based in US. Okay, so let's go and analyze the whole thing. It shouldn't take long. Okay, our graph is ready now. So now we can see what is really happening on Twitter when it comes to AI agents. Okay, we got most up-to-date informations. Okay, and we see what's trending. Okay, so right away we can see that there is some users who are really heavily actually tweeting about this. Okay, it's like it's something which is really on like it's really trending. Okay, and especially this chili bot AI. Okay, let's talk about this one first. All right. So, introducing Chili about AI, your next generation AI security agent. Why do we need AI security agents? Right. So, okay. So let's go and visit this tweet. Okay, introducing Chili Bot, your next generation AI security agents. Launching today. All right. So there you go. It's launching today. Why do we need an AI security agent in the crypto space? This answer lies in the rapid evolution of AI industry as an AI agents begins to deploy tokens autonomously. We have embraced this cutting-edge innovation. But amidst this excitement, a crucial question arises. Okay, right. Okay, so we got something here. It's called a Chill Bot AI. Let's click on it. Obviously, we got a link to this Telegram. It's only 473 users. All right, so it's not much at all. And the other thing is, I want to check if this is already live. Okay, before we do that, let's go and click on their website. Okay, there you go. That's their website. It says Chill AI, your security AI agents and AI-driven agents automatically audits, optimize, and educate your Ethereum smart contracts, enhancing security, efficiency, and trader developer knowledge. Perfect. All right. So we got a Telegram, we got a Twitter, we got contact us. Okay, let's go and see the contract. All right. So here's the contract. It's built on Ethereum. All right, so there we go. We can see that it looks like it's been trading, and now Gitbook. Okay, so here we go. It's a white paper for this particular project. Welcome to Chill AI. Our mission is to provide a comprehensive suite for AI-powered tools that streamline smart contracts development, ensuring robust security and optimal performance by automating complex processes and offering intuitive integrational resources. I aim to make blockchain technology more accessible and secure for everyone. Okay, so key features. What's the key features? At Chill AI, we are redefining the way smart contracts are created, optimized, and secured. Our platform is designed to simply complex processes, enhance security, and empower developers at every stage. There we go. Explore our suite of tailored to meet the needs of development businesses and innovators in the blockchain space. Whether we are looking to enhance security, optimize. Right. Okay. So it's something in relation definitely to the security, right? So they apparently it's one of those AI agents which they are focusing on security. Very nice. Okay. So it's a code optimizations. So solution AI-driven code optimization, Chill AI code optimization features like gas saving suggestions, code refactoring advice, security enhancement, integrations with development environment, how Chill AI code optimization solves the problem, lower gas fees. Okay, perfect. That's all what it is here. I leave it to you guys to go read it yourself. I think this is let's go through the roadmap. All right, so first, research and model training. Collect, analyze historical smart contract data, including secure implementation, exploit cases, train AI models, perfect, develop continuous learning mechanics to ensure the AI adapts new blockchain trends, perfect. Phase 2, MVP, development, basic audit tool, perfect. Launch, auditing tool capable of identifying common vulnerabilities such as transparency attacks, logic errors, and gas inefficiency, provide an intuitive user interface, perfect. Phase 3, integration with popular IDEs and enhancements with optimization features. Phase 4, launch educational models and natural language processing interface. Phase 5, ongoing updates, community feedback, integration, and expansions. And 7, Phase 7, global marketing campaign, community building. 8, strategic partnership ecosystem. Okay, perfect. No worries. If you want to join them, I'm pretty sure this is a Telegram. Perfect. Let's go click on it. 185 users. Okay, so there's not much of the users still. Okay, and let's go and check if this is already trading. All right, that's something which might interest you guys. Okay, so their contract is live. They just launched. Okay, and they're already going down. So there you go. Let me see what is happening here on their contract. Okay, market cap 5,424, and people are selling mostly. And time transfer. Okay, yeah, fine. It's something which is not really promising. Okay, but still, look. Liquidity $377, please. Okay, it's so low. Okay, if you buy it in, probably you won't be able to sell it out anyway. But still, okay, market cap 5,400. It's new. It's quite new. It's only a matter of few minutes. They went live, but look, guys, obviously it's not I'm not doing any sort of financial advice on this channel. I'm just showing you guys how I do research on them. It's what's really happening live, and that's the reason I'm actually posting that video. I just want to show you how I found this particular coin. If I would invest in it, probably, obviously not. Okay, but the thing is that I just want to show you the process. Okay, some things might happen that we're gonna come across something interesting. Okay, but again, this is not a financial advice whatsoever. Okay, then. Okay, so I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. All right, so probably I could spend another hour or two doing research on the other bits and pieces here. However, I don't want to make this video too long at the beginning. Okay, I probably will be creating more videos similar to the one you're just watching right now. So if you can subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, I'll be much appreciated. If you can share that video, I'll be also appreciated. It will help algorithm to grow the channel. And I want to invite you guys to watch my next video. Okay, which I'll be probably focusing on similar research. Okay, so far we found a coin. Okay, it went live just a few minutes ago, and so far it's going down, but doesn't matter. You know, some of those coins might go up, some of those coins, as we all know, go down. You know, some of them, they are completely rubbish, but you never know when you come across something really interesting. Okay, so far this one doesn't seems to be for me promising. However, still it's a brand new. We just found it the way I show you guys, and that's how I'm actually searching for really trending news in the crypto space, especially in those AI agents, which are quite popular right now. Guys, once again, this is not a financial advice. Thank you very much for watching. Do your own due diligence, and have a good day.